Hi, my name's Gary. I'm from County Durham. I'm a massive home cinema enthusiast. Star Wars has always been a big passion of mine since growing up. It's always been a part of my life. We were always introduced to Star Wars, the theme, the whole feeling of it all, the goodies, the baddies, the Jedis, the Siths, and once I made my mind up about upgrading a cinema room, it had to incorporate the Star Wars theme. The room before it is now was a basic cinema room. I had a local electrician help wire in some speakers, put a screen up, and it served a purpose. There was a few issues with sound, etc., and the projector that we had in was okay, but I was always aspiring to have something a little bit visually better. I look for inspiration for my room via the platform Instagram, the social media platform. I did a lot of searching on there and stumbled across Bespoke Home Cinemas. Followed their page, quite liked all of the projects that they were involved in and made contact with them. I thought Bespoke showroom was absolutely fantastic. I was quite blown away by the experience when I went in there. It was a major step up from anything that I was used to here. Really impressed with the display that they had on the Sony projector. It was one of the biggest selling points for me. After coming out of there, I thought, I've got to have that projector. From a family point of view, we love spending time in here. There's nothing better than watching a classical Disney film right the way through to the modern Marvel movies that we like to watch in here. So from a family point of view, it's a great experience to have to share with your kids. It's a nice place to spend time. Once you're in the room, you do lose yourself to the occasion. Once it's all powered up and fired up and the movies flowing, you do lose yourself in here. It is nice to know that I have my own personal touch in this room. This is a room that I've had a lot of input in. I do know that this is a one-off. I know people might replicate certain things in the future by seeing it and maybe it's inspired them to have a room of themselves. But it's great to know that this room is a one-off unique, which was born from a creation of Star Wars.